Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mazda 2 Neo hatch, stock reference number 5273. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 9th month 2014. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.